This is a formula for the sum of an arithmetic sequence. So the sequence is a1 plus a1 plus d plus a1 plus 2d plus a1 plus 3d all the way to a1 plus nd. If I want to come up with this formula, this one's pretty simple. A is just going to be repeated for however many numbers there are in the sequence, or I can just think of it as this formula. A1 is going to be a constant, so it'll be n times c. So at this point I can kind of reorganize my terms to a1 times n, and then I'm still left with this d, d2, 2d, 3d, nd. And that can be written as n minus 1 times d. So I start with a1, then I have 1d, then 2d for the third, so it's n minus 1 times d. And if I go back to this, I just replace this into this formula, and this constant will just be moved out, so I don't even need to worry about that right now. But n minus 1 times n, or inserted for n, is going to be n minus 1. N minus 1 inserted for n plus 1 will just cancel it out, so it'll just kind of reverse the sign. N minus 1 times n over 2. And then what they did for this is just put this over the 2 or whatever, so they just multiply top and bottom by 2. So I can write these over the same fraction. And then just factor out this 1/2 over n. And that is the same thing. Oh yeah, I forgot about the d. Yeah, I can't forget about that. You can forget about it, but I mean, you have to remember it later, so maybe it's just best not to forget about it in the first place. Yeah, I mean, when I substitute n minus 1, where is it? Oh yeah, n minus 1d, I mean, it's just multiplying it, so I mean, you just kind of factor it out, but I didn't bother to do it, so I forgot about it. So yeah, this would be a d out front here, be a d out front here, or behind it. But yeah, I mean, that's how you do it, just don't forget about the d.